you going to go down the slide? You okay? Come down the slide. Come here. Hi. Can Mommy help you?
No.
No. Why? Yeah? Come here. Mommy help you. Mommy doesn't want that, but thank you. Look. See? Ooh. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Oh, not your mouth. Not your mouth. Oh, they disappeared. Good job. Good job. Come on. Good job. Now come down this way. Come here. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Why are you going backwards? Good job. Come here. Look, then you flip your legs around. Flip your legs around. Whoop. And then push yourself down. Good job. Good job, big girl. Yay. Yay. Good job. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Good job. Come here. Oh. What are you doing? Good job. Good job. Are you going to try again? Do you have a rock in your mouth? Bump. Let me see. Let me see the rock. Oh, yucky. Yucky, yucky. Bump? Yucky. Those are yucky. Those are yucky. Good job. You spit it out. Good job. And you put it back. Okay, go down the slide so Mommy could take the rock out of your mouth. Why do you go down it backwards? You don't have to go down it that way. Can I see that? Thank you. Can I see the one in your mouth? Thank you. Can I see the one in your mouth? Thank you. Good job! Yay! Okay, say bye-bye. Lila. Hey. Can you say bye-bye? Hey. Where are you going? Can you say bye? Bye. Okay, bye.